Hello 5th class, this is page 134, question 3. So we know what percentage of the children in a youth club have black hair and brown hair. We know that 36 children have blonde hair, and they want us to find out how many children have black hair. So the most important thing to do in a problem like this is to work out what we know. We know that 15% have black hair. We know that 65% have brown hair. We don't know the percentage of blonde hair, but we just know the number. But of course we know with percents that the total of all these children would be 100%. So if we know that 15% and 65% either have black or brown hair, then the total that we know about so far is 80%. So if these two make 80%, then the number of children, the percentage of children with blonde hair must be 20%. So now I know that 20% of my number is 36. So if 20% equals 36, how could I find 100%? Well, another way of thinking of 20% is 1/5. So 1/5 is 36. I want to find 5/5. So if I multiply 36 by 5, I'll get my total number of children. 6 5s are 30, carry my 3. 5 3s are 15, and 3 is 18. So altogether, there are 180 children. And now they want us to find out how many children have black hair. So I'm looking for 15% of 180. All right, they said we could use our calculators. So if we're going to work it on a calculator, how do we do that? So I want to find 180 multiplied by 15%. And I find that there are 27 children who have black hair. There's my answer.